Welcome everyone. In this video, we're gonna go over problem number 11, section 3.1. So let's see what the problem says. Suppose that we know that T is a linear transformation. So we know it's a linear transformation with the codomain in R3, and we have this relation T of 3v1 plus v2 is 5, negative 2, 7, and T of 5v1 plus 2v2 is 4, 0, negative 3. And for some unknown vectors v1 and v2 from the domain. What we want to find is T of v1 and T of v2, and there's a given hint here. We're going to use the additivity and homogeneity properties. Let's go over the solution. Now, to refresh your memories, the additivity property of linear transformation says that T of u plus v can be written as T of u plus T of v. And the homogeneity property says T of ku can also be written as k times tu. And again, k is a real number. Now let's see how we can use that. So if we go to the first one, and I call that number 1, T of 3v1 plus v2 can be written as T of 3v1 plus T of v2. Then we can use the second property and write this as 3 times T of v1 plus T of v2, and we know that's 5, negative 2, and 7. Now the second one, T of 5v1 plus 2v2 is T of 5v1 plus T of 2v2. And you can write that as 5 times T of v1 plus 2 times T of v2. And that's 4, 0, and negative 3. Now if we put 1 and 2 together, just the last parts, right here. So we have 3 times T of v1 plus T of v2 equals to 5, negative 2, 0, 5, negative 2, 7, actually, and 5 times T of v1 plus 2 times T of v2 is 4, 0, negative 3, and this is like a system. So what we need to do is to solve for T of v1 and T of v2. You can multiply number 1 by negative 2 to eliminate T of v2. So I wrote it here. So number 1 becomes 6 T of v1 plus 2 T of v2, and don't forget to multiply the right side by negative 2 also. And number 2 is 5 T of v1 plus 2 T of v2 is 4, 0, negative 3. I think this is pretty simple now. If we add 1 to 2, 6 T of v1 plus 5 T of v1 is negative T of v1. And we know this T1s, T of v1s, v2s are gonna eliminate. So, and that's v2. Let's fix that. So, and we have to do the same thing to the right side. So what we have is negative 2 times 5, comma, negative 2, comma, 7, plus that one. So these are just vector addition and multiplication. So then you simplify, this becomes negative 10, 4, negative 14, negative 10 plus 4 is negative 6, 4 plus 0 is 4, negative 14 plus negative 3 is negative 70. That's negative T of v1. So T of v1, you just change all the signs. You get 6, negative 4, and 17. Now you can go to the first equation. We know that 3 times T of v1 plus T of v2 is 5, negative 2, 7. And isolate T of v2. So that's going to be 5, negative 2, 7 minus 3 times T of v1. But we know what v1 is now. You just substitute and you simplify. This is simple arithmetic, and you are going to get T of v2. So T of v1 is 6, negative 4, 7, and T of v2 is negative 13, 10, and negative 34. So I think that's good enough for this video. On the next ones, I'll solve more problems. Thank you for watching and have a great one.